80%.
5, 4, 3.
Basically, I found the Schrader valve. This is what you put in a bike tire. I noticed, wow, it fits right inside a soda bottle. A nice snug fit, like my PP. Now, you tighten up. You put air pressure in it, and I was like, whoa, that's pressure. Then you shoot it. Whoa, it launches. And then it dawned on me. This is my chute that I can blast people with.
DIY vape.
I present to you the Vapor 9000.
Look at all that vapor.
Vape isn't cool.
Look at all that vape. Swirl it, swirl it, swirl it, swirl it, swirl it,
Wait, I'm blowing some O's.
ChristiansVape.com.
Peter, do you want to try this? What? Peter, do you want to try this? What is wrong with you?
Oh, my pastor lets me vape all the time.
No, kid, vape isn't safe. Here, I'm just gonna take a hit of my vape really quick. No, kid, don't, no!
911, we have vape.
Anyways, I discovered when you put pressure with an air compressor into a bottle, it launches away, believe it or not. I don't think it's enough. So then I did some thinking. How can I boom boom with my friend? I must make a boom boom gun with Coke bottle. This is called a chuck ball valve. It connects to Schrader valves, and this one specifically latches onto the Schrader valve, so it won't go away. If I attach this to the air nozzle gun to keep minimum of 6 safety inches away, if the bottle goes boom boom 6 inches away from your face, your A-OK says JJA, which stands for Junior Jetiquettes Against Humanity. No.
Junior Alliance of Jesuits.
So now I have this gun, I can shove it in bottles' holes and make them boom boom at my stupid friend. Now from the safety of my 6 inches safety zone from the JAJ, it can shoot.
Science time. Let's see how high we can get this to go. 3, 2, 1, now. Now.
Ooh.
We got some height.
Yes, sir.
Now we need to try to get it to go higher up. Stop vaping. Okay, we're gonna do science to see how much science.
We're gonna see how much science it takes to make this go up in the air.
Here's what we're actually doing. We're gonna
Not this.
We're gonna
Give
put.
it here.
I have a hypothesis for Peter, and you're. I have a hypothesis, and you don't. Here's my hypothesis. If you put water in this,
It will fill up with the water.
no, it'll go higher. So I want to see at what
Redo
level.
it, just start over.
At what level of water does this thing go the highest? Okay.
Let's give this a try.
Hypothesis 1.
It will
80%.
not go high. I don't think.
I think 80%. It has a lot of. The water acts as like a launcher.
No, it
Yeah.
doesn't help it at all.
It
I don't
launches.
think this much water will do anything
Okay.
except for
Yeah.
get us wet.
No, I bet it'll go high. So let's see what 80.
Ready?
80. What is 80%?
5, 4, 3. I want to go home. 80% trial 2. Let's try this again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh.
Blast it off. Alright, 60%. Let's try this. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off. I would say this higher. It looks like 75 feet right now. 60% is in the lead.
Let's try 40%, but now I have to go get the bottle again.
40% trial 1. Let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off. Success.
Oh, it's cold. It's so cold. 40% went about 100 feet. It also made me insta-pee my pants and I'm freezing. Time for 20%.
20%, trial 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off.
Where is it?
Way over there.
Blast off.
That probably went like a solid 200 feet.
I couldn't follow it with
That
the
was
camera because I don't
200.
know where it
If it
went.
had weight, it would be gone. Can someone please go get it this time? Peter, come on. No, stop. It's so far away.
10% goes a solid 200. Let's see what 10% does. 20% went
Count
to
down.
5, 4,
You just go.
3, 2, 1. Blast off.
We're cold. We're wet. We're tired. We can definitely say that this video is terrible. Don't like it. Don't subscribe.
This is cool science. Thank you for watching.